Now, let us see what is Microsoft Azure, right? So in the earlier part of this video, we have looked at cloud computing. Now, what exactly is Microsoft Azure? Well, Microsoft Azure provides you a platform wherein you can build, deploy, and manage your solutions. So if you want to have an application that is hosted on a platform on the internet, you can use Microsoft Azure. Now, Microsoft Azure has a number of services that just keep on expanding. So if you look at the products page of Microsoft Azure, you have different categories on the left side, right? And you have the services on the right. So you can go to any category and you can look at the services as a part of category, and you can see that you have ever expanding list of services that can be used. So let us say you want to create a server or host a server on the cloud. You'd go ahead and use the virtual machines, right? The virtual machines. So if when you go there, you'll see different information that's pertinent to the service itself. It has got the cost of it. It has cost the pricing of it. You can see the documentation if you want more information. So Microsoft is very rich in terms of the documentation which is available for each and every service, right? You're seeing the virtual machine page here. You have the details of the different components or different features of Microsoft Azure virtual machine. You can see the pricing here, what will be the pricing cost, and what will be the cost incurred in terms of rupees for me as I'm being in India. So it is representing in INR. So you can go ahead and see the different documentation for all the services which are provided by Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure really is a platform that has so many services that help you. As I said, you can build, deploy, manage your application. And during this course, we are going to go through the services available on the Azure platform, right? I just wanted to give a quick introduction on the Azure platform. Hope you all enjoying the course and see you all in the next one.